So what's up, Arc Addict family? We're back with a new video. Here shooting today is with Angel here at Boost Tech Fabrication. We're gonna weld a couple aluminum pieces for you guys to look and check out these arc shots. Hey Angel, what welding machine we using today?
Aspect 375 Lincoln.
What rough settings are you using for that aluminum?
AC, no pulse, and 40 hertz on the frequency, and probably like 100 on the amperage.
Awesome.
Yes, sir.
All right guys, as you see, he just welded up some dime stacks on them aluminum. He also worked on this stainless. What is this?
This is a 2003 Chevy Silverado. Came in with a turbo kit. It didn't have a downpipe though. Well, it did have a downpipe, but he wanted us to redo the downpipe, so we just did a new downpipe, new wastegate downpipe, and then we did a teardrop on the fender with a little trim around it. So it look clean.
All right, Angel, now that we've seen a lot of your custom work, the question is, can we turn that thing on? See how that sounds.
Turn it on, right?
If you're wanting to see more automotive, please like, comment, or subscribe on our video and let us know what you want to see. We want to be fresh with our content at the same time. Anything to do with welding, as you're an arc addict, let's get together on it.